Welcome to my channel. The rotoring technique, the best quality pens available in the market, are supplied by a Germany-based company, Rotoring. Rotoring pens are available in shades. The steel nib pens of earlier times had been replaced by rapidographs, which have steel nibs from 0.1 to 0.8. There are also available in very wide range, but illustrators generally use pens between 0.1 to 0.8. Despite this very fine range, we have thick tipped pens also. Crockle and brush dots technique. Crockle and nibs were the medium used in earlier times by the artist before the rotting rapidograph were introduced. This is a very attractive medium as it gives a very defined and uneven look to the sketch. Charcoal. Charcoal pencils are available in three ways: thin, medium, and large. For beginning, medium pencils are best suitable. Charcoal produce soft black mark according to the processor you give on the tip. It is the best suited media for young and aspiring artists. Fresco. The method of painting in watercolor on fresh plaster is known fresco. To do this, a tracing is drawn on the surface before applying colors. fresco painting technique is of two types. Fresco buono. A fresco is drawn on wet plaster is known as fresco buono. Fresco. A fresco on dry plaster is known as fresco. Fresco painting technique is of two types. To draw a fresco, we have to prepare a mixture of lime, sand and cement. Plaster the wall with it. It could be done by a favored, but he should do it under supervision of an artist. The ingredient for a fresco is generally 1 part lime, 2 part of dry sand and a great amount of powdered marble. After plastering, the base is made smooth by applying processor so that the sand does not crumble away. Thanks for watching this video.